Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 32. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang Items Purchased section under the Inventory Management module ng BIMS App. Ang Items Purchased table ang ginagamit para i-record at i-review ang lahat ng inventory acquisitions. Every valid purchase record increases the available stock of the selected item from the item master list. Kaya bago tayo tumingin or mag-record ng purchase information, kailangan muna nating piliin ang correct item mula sa item master list. Pagkapili ng item, ipapakita ng system ang purchase records na nakalink lamang sa selected item. This helps keep the transaction history organized and makes it easier to review procurement activity item by item. Sa purchase records, importanteng i-check ang quantity, price, at source details. Ang quantity ang nagsasabi kung ilang units ang na-acquire. Ang price information naman ay ginagamit para sa procurement and financial tracking. At ang source details ay tumutulong para ma-identify kung saan nanggaling ang purchase transaction. Kapag valid ang purchase record, automatic nitong dinadagdagan ang inventory balance ng selected item. For example, kung may existing balance na 10 units at may valid purchase na 5 units, madadagdagan ang available stock according sa recorded purchase transaction. Hindi kailangang manually baguhin ang inventory balance. The system updates the stock based on the recorded transactions. Importanteng tandaan na only purchases linked to the selected item are displayed. Kaya bago mag-review ng records, always verify kung tama ang napiling item sa master list. Kung maling item ang napili, ibang purchase history ang makikita natin. Another important point is that voided or invalid purchase records are excluded from summary calculations. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila dapat magdagdag sa valid inventory balance. This is important for audit and correction purposes because a transaction may remain visible in history while being excluded from the actual stock computation. Ang incorrect purchase entries can affect inventory totals, periodic summaries, reconciliation, and financial reports. Kaya magandang practice na regular na i-review ang purchase transactions. Check kung tama ang quantity. Check kung tama ang price. Check din ang source information and make sure that the transaction belongs to the correct inventory item. The items purchase section is not only a history of acquisitions, it directly affects the stock level of the item. Purchase records are also used in periodic summaries, inventory reconciliation, and financial reporting. This means that a simple error in one purchase transaction can carry forward into other inventory calculations and reports. Sa contextual help ng items purchase section, makikita rin na the purpose of this table is to track procurement history and validate quantities added to inventory. In summary, ganito ang basic process. Open inventory management. Select the correct item from the item master list. Go to items purchased. Review the purchase transactions associated with that item. Verify the quantity, price, and source details. Remember that valid purchases increase inventory stock, while voided or invalid records are excluded from summary calculations. And before moving on, make sure that the purchase history matches the actual acquisitions of the barangay. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang issued items section kung saan nire-record ang inventory items na inilalabas or dinidistribute at kung paano nito binabawasan ang available stock. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to record and review purchased items in the BIMS app. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS app button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.